Hi you guys, welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're going to be making bows because it's Bow Wednesday. We are using the ProBow the hand today. Welcome, let's get started. Okay you guys, here it is, my favorite bow maker ever. Okay, here we go. So my ribbon is pre-cut, and this first ribbon for my center loop, I cut it at 24 inches. So I just measured out 24 inches on my cutting mat, snipped it off, got it ready. You are going to need 2 pieces of floor wire. I cut mine at 24 inches each. Okay you guys, I wanted to zoom in really close so that you could see exactly how you get it started from the very beginning. Now we're getting our second ribbon together. I cut that ribbon at 28 inches, and you see where I'm inserting my second piece of floor wire. Okay, you guys, I zoomed in again because I want you to get this part, because this is where we're going to introduce the second ribbon, and we're also using the floor wire that's going to tie off each subsequent ribbon that we introduce into our bow. So you need to pay close attention to what I'm doing here, and I'm not tying it multiple times, with just one little twist up and one little twist down, so that if you happen to make a mistake, it's very easy to take the boa loose. Okay, I'm going to zoom in again so that you can see exactly what my hands do. Here we go. Pay close attention to what I'm doing here. This is important. Okay, so we lay our ribbon down, we gather it, we place it next to the dowel, we take our wire, twist up, twist down, go around the dowel to make a loop, come back, gather the ribbon, twist it, go around the dowel to make our next loop, gather the ribbon here, twist it, come back, take our wire, twist up, twist down to secure, and now we're ready for our next ribbon. Okay, you guys, I lost footage of me fluffing the bow. However, you've seen me fluff the bow before. Most importantly, this is the final look of our project today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and visiting with me today. Don't forget that I post weekly videos on the channel, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.